This is Tier 1 Lesson 5, Factoring by Grouping. So I'm going to show you a new factoring technique of grouping. So we're going to group these into two groups. Here's one, here's the other. And what we're going to do is we're going to factor the GCF, the greatest common factor of each group. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put x cubed plus 7x squared and 2x plus 14 in the box. And what I'm going to do is I want to divide out this x squared, you see, that I could factor the GCF out of. So if I bring an x squared out, I'm going to rewrite it like this. X squared, and then what's left over, remember this is x times x times x. If I bring a squared out, I have 1x left over. And this one, if I bring my x squared out, I just have 7 left over. Then over here, I'm going to factor a 2 out of both. Right? I can factor a 2 out of 2x, and I can factor a 2 out of 14. So I'm going to say 2, and then I have x left over. 14 divided by 2 is 7, so plus 7. Now it's a lot easier to see what we could multiply out of each group. See this x plus 7 in both? We're going to factor that term out right here. X plus 7. I'm going to divide that term out of this one and this one. Well, what could I multiply this by to get x plus 7? Well, x squared. X squared times x plus 7 is x squared times x plus 7, which if I multiplied it through and distributed it, I would get that. And then this one is pretty easy as well. 2 times x plus 7 and 2x plus 7, if I were to distribute it through, I would get that 2x plus 14 again. So my factored form answer is x plus 7 from this part, and then this is x squared plus 2. All right?